Okay, y'all, so in honor of Juneteenth and Pride Month, but in honor of Juneteenth, today we're gonna show you guys how to make this Juneteenth. I forgot what they call it. I have to ask Babe. But we're gonna make this today. Isn't that gorgeous? I know you wanna know how. Stay tuned. And also, don't forget we're doing a 1K giveaway. A 1K subscriber. Once we get to 1K subscribers, we're gonna give a free giveaway. So all you have to do to enter is follow us on Instagram. Shit, I cannot talk for today. All you have to do is follow us on Instagram at FGG CUSTOMS, okay? Then you have to subscribe to our YouTube channel, which you should already be subscribed if you're watching this video. I mean, why not? And then 5 likes and 5 comments on our YouTube videos. That's it. That's it. That's all. That's it. Simple. So let's get to it. So starting out right off the top, we're gonna get these colors, get these glitters out that we're gonna use, and we're gonna put them in them containers that we're gonna use. And meanwhile, we already got Cricut cutting the design, so we just kind of waiting on that to finish. And we didn't record this, so if you guys want to see how we made this design, then make sure you like this video, because we're gonna put this out for you. But after Cricut cut the design, we just labeled it with whatever colors we were gonna use, and then we're gonna put it on the tumbler. Now, we tried to use some of this cat scratch chicken tape cut, whatever they call it, and it was a no. It did not work. It wasn't vibrant, the colors wasn't popping, so we just decided to go with what we know, which is using vinyl. And vinyl never fails. And you want to make sure that you try to get this as straight as possible, because you don't want anything coming off or any loose ends. And we decided to go with the half look because sometimes the full burst tumbler look is just very chaotic, and we just thought that it was going to add like some contrast if we just did one side and then another design on the other side. Peel off one layer at a time, one color. We're doing the Juneteenth colors, which is black, red, green, and yellow. So do the black first. We're going to paint it so we can give it that look that it needs, that vibrant color, so you won't have to have any streaks or anything like that. And we're basically just going to be doing this. We're going to start with the black, paint over it, put a little glitter, take off the green, paint over it, put a little glitter, take off the yellow, paint over it, put a little glitter. What's next? Take off the red, paint over it, put a little glitter, and that's all there's to it. That's all. That is it. And it's gonna be so gorgeous. Feels so good to be alive. Got all my family by my side. Couldn't wipe this black off if I tried. That's why I lift my head with pride. we decided to, of course, give it that black look on the other side, that darkness, because we're gonna add some pops of the Juneteenth colors in vinyl. And we just thought that this was gonna be real sleek and give it that look that we're going for. Oh, look at that. That is gorgeous. Look at those, how vibrant those colors are. And of course, we're gonna go back in and clean up some of that, so let's not worry about that. So we put a layer of epoxy on here, and now all we're doing is sanding, trying to get it as smooth as we can get it, so it would be easier to put the decal on. And you'll see that it's some debris from other glitters getting in the glitter and everything, but you can just pick that out. Just pick it out, no big deal. And then once you get it sanded how you like it, it's gonna be real easy to put that vinyl on there and real smooth. Yes, honey. Now look at all these cute little Juneteenth little letters. Freedom, Black Lives Matter, the fist, 1865, justice. Oh, it's all just giving. If this is not giving, then I don't care. It's giving. Look at that. And after this last coat of epoxy, she is gorgeous. Look at that. I cannot be happier with how this turned out. She's shining and glistening. Oh, it's just so beautiful. But thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.